So we're at Roland's, and I'm here to look at an R90s, a 76. Sort of a barn find, and I'm hoping to negotiate a price on this.
Uh-oh, he's documenting it. Uh-oh. The rebirth of an R69. Watch out, you're gonna get run over by a double bammer.
Oh, look at that. So, 1976 R90.
The kind, baby. The kind. Look at here's all the paperwork. This is, I think this is. This is when that guy, see in 74, they came in first and second in Daytona. This is February 76. That's when their rider was,
Here, work the throttle, will ya? Well, Roland, what do you think, buddy? Am I making you even more bike envy? Thought I'd let you know everything's working. All the electrical's good. Check that first. Later, buddy. Yeah, so I know, Roland, you just can't wait till I get this puppy painted. Nah, I'm going to put it together, get it kind of tuned up, and ride it. And just make sure it's safe. And then this winter I'm going to pull it down and go through it. That's not to say I'm going to paint it, though. Don't want to get you too freaked out. First things first, though, got to get it titled and registered in my name. I'll keep you posted. Oh, by the way, if the check bounces, I don't want to hear from you.